Kia ora, this is Sam Gibson from the Warehouse Group for Business. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to load up your school packs to store. So you would have been sent your URL and your page should look like this with your school name, and then you can click here to start. So the very first thing you need to do is select the school contact person button. And you want to check that all your details are correct and which store you want these packs sent to. And then importantly, choose the order type. So in this example, we're talking about packs to store. So that means that you choose how many packs you want made, they're sent to your local store, and your parents can go and purchase those over the counter. So click the right option, click Save Changes, close that window. And from here, you'll notice that if you've already worked with us previously or your lists have been loaded previously, they are already in here from last year and they've been transferred to this year. So you can go in there and edit those if needed. In this example, I'm going to add a classroom. So put the year level, the name of the class, and how many packs or how many students will be in that class. So we're going to push add. You can see that it's been added there. The status is now new, and we can go to the list and we can start to build out that school pack. So you can either search by categories or search by keywords. And we also have this cool option this year where you can filter either by sustainable products only or Tadeo branded products. We also have an exciting competition this year that if you add any eco stick to your school packs or school lists, you can go in the draw to win a share of $10,000 worth of Warehouse Group vouchers. So if you're interested in that, click on the banner to learn more. I'm going to start building out the list here just with a couple of items. So if we search for school books, exercise books, we can scroll through the whole range and start adding various elements here. So you can see the sustainable elements are added under there if applicable as well as the Tadeo branding over here. So I'm going to add 2 of those. I'm going to add another exercise book there. And I can go back and search by keywords if I want and look for some pencils, and I might add that in. So when I'm ready to go, I can look over here. If I need to edit anything, I can click there to remove or to edit the quantities and save those changes. And once I'm happy with that particular pack, I can then push confirm list. I can add any special requests if needed, or I can leave that blank. And then I need to push submit stationery list here. At this point, it's really important that you push back to see all of your classrooms here or all of the various packs, and you can see the ones that have now been submitted. When I'm happy with everything, I can then generate a quote to see what the various prices for our school community will look like. So I do that by pushing quote packs to school. I can remove some if I don't want any to show. And I push create quote, and that'll generate a price per pack and the various requirements in here. So if I'm happy with everything, it'll send a quote to the email that we've added as the school contact person. You can push send. That'll email a quote, and within that quote you'll get the various prices. There's obviously nothing to pay when it's packs to store, but your parents will know the price when they're going in and they can purchase. So once you in your email, you can confirm that, and that'll come back into our system, and we can have those packs ready to go for the back to school season in your local store.